Hello, my wife. Merry Christmas. See, I'm coming with my friend and we need chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah, chicken.
Okay.
Okay. That's what I told you. Like I told him like that's all I did.
Yeah, but I see it's good, it's good.
My husband, can I bring the chicken now?
Yeah, bring it. So the first thing we're going to do when they come here, we'll tell them the first.
Take.
Jesus.
What is this?
But you said you want chicken.
Blood of Jesus. Blood of
I
Jesus.
said chicken. I want you to cook chicken for me.
I'm sorry, my husband.
Now, wow.
Where can I put it?
Come and put it on my head.
Okay.
Jesus is Lord.
I don't want peace.